Hey Mango, welcome back to our 30-day Pilates series and today we are going to complete week 3 as usual with a meditation practice. And this is a perfect time for you to get yourself into the inner space and to heal or just simply to be calm and mindful. So if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together. So make sure that you use a pillow or anything that could help you to feel easier with the hips, or even just bend your knees like this or lie all the way down on the mat if it's more comfortable for you. Just listen to your body and then lengthen the spine. Hands relax. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Focus on your breath. And this time we are going to inhale 3 counts and exhale double the time, so in 6 counts. Let's start. And exhale. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale. And exhale. Good. And couple more times here. And slowly close your eyes. Listen to the sound around you. Notice how the sound makes you feel. And it's okay to have feeling, whatever feeling that you're having now, just allow it to be here with you. Even it might feel a little bit uncomfortable, but just accept it, let it be here, and accept that. Give yourself a permission to feel the way you feel. Inhale deeply, focus back on the breath. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And any time that you got distracted during this meditation, please feel free to come back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale and exhale, and start to stay here with your own breath. As you breathe along, each breath you take will make you feel more and more connected to a sense of deep inner peace. Anytime you feel distracted, just focus back on the breath, on this voice, and on your own breath. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Imagine that your heart is like a mango fruit that needs to be opened to taste the sweetness. And you have the tool today to do it. It could be your hand or any tool that you might need to be able to do it. Open your heart to its wisdom, and as it is open, you'll find all the good memory inside. Moments of joy, new and old, that came to your awareness in this very moment. Give yourself time to visualize through those joys. The deep feeling of inner peace from your heart came to heal and balance the unbalanced part of your body and mind. Notice how this beautiful moment of peace has affected your physical body. Affirm with yourself, I am beautiful. I am kind. I am filled with love. Affirm to yourself that there will be more love and good time to come. Now bring your focus back to the breath. I'm going to inhale in 3 counts. Exhale in 6 counts. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or come back to your own pace. Now get back to the present moment. Stay here as long as you need to. Healing takes time, and you are welcome to come back to this meditation as many times as you need to. I am always here for you. Slowly bring your focus back on your breath. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale and exhale. Gently wiggle your body. Awake all the muscles. Wiggle your head. Rotate your head gently and very tiny movement here. And then focus. Reverse. Wiggle your shoulders, your hips, your whole torso, your hand, your feet. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. And anytime that you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Inhale one more deep breath and exhale deeply. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And then reverse. Rotate the wrist. Reverse. Interlace your fingers. And reverse. Reach your hands all the way up again. And down. And lift. And down. Awaken yourself from this beautiful meditation. And slowly bring your hand to the side. Reach and bring your head from left to right. And bring your hands down on the mat. Gently shake your hips. Take on one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. And that's the practice for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.